All right, y'all, check it out. Mr. Hands again. Latest acquisition right here. Bus, just bought this the first time I'm gonna do a bus, right? And I just wanna take y'all on this journey with me, right? From beginning to end. So you see how it is, right? You see what I'm working with, right? Just real quick, real quick, So you get a chance, you get an opportunity, to rock with me, all right? 20 passenger. Bam, you got all these nice windows in here. I haven't figured out the layout yet, but we will in time, right? We will, bam. So I'm excited, right? You ready? The fun begins tomorrow, y'all. Peace, I'm out.